Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you Etsy. So in here you can see there's a ton of stuff that they have on the front page. And it used to be all handmade stuff, but now it's not. It's print on demand as well, which is fine. So you can search for it. You can say dad to son or stuff like that. And a bunch of stuff will come up. So memory of my dad. Dad, a son's first hero. I would love, some of these are like kind of more on the funny side than the sentimental. But like there's one, never forget that I love you. So life is filled with hard times and good, blah 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 blah. Another one, necklace. Never forget I love you. Father to son. So let's see what this one is. If I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would you realize how special you are to me. Okay, so there's one. So you can take a screen of that. I wouldn't do it like it's done here, but the saying's good. So let's take that, add it to our file. Just the old research folder. See what else we can find. King the Prince. To my son, always remember, I've got your back, I'm so proud of you, and I love you. Well, that's a good one. See, something like that is good. The saying's good. So let's take a screenshot of that guy. Save. So, just like all the other ones, you can go through all the results. And you can find a lot of good stuff, some not so good stuff, but there's a lot in here. Dad, a son's first hero, daughter's first love. So just one page of results. Maybe I should go gifts for son. Maybe I'll try that. You can mess around with the search terms too to see if you can find something better. Because letters to my son, God bless me greatly when he made you my son. Oh, here we go. Now we're getting into more of the mushy stuff. Personalized. Ooh, nice. Deep in your heart, you're capable of achieving anything you want. So that says love mom, but we could easily put that to love dad. So let's take a screen of that. Like so. I don't know where they were personalizing that, but let's check. What's it say here? Oh, engrave. Oh, cool. Engrave one side, engrave both sides. Fancy. You know who else has got engraving? Oh, we do. Alright, so that's, I mean, you can go through this and spend a lot of time on it, but I'm not going to keep you forever. So my research folder is getting pretty big anyway, so I'm going to stop there. So go ahead and go through Etsy as well.